Now, showcasing all that the Coastal Bend has to offer, it's Coastal Living.
Welcome to Coastal Living. Now it's time to get to the bottom of things with Due West Foundation, and I'm once again joined by Johan Dutton. I think today's a great opportunity to get to know a little bit more about Due West if y'all have questions. So Johan, what are some common questions that customers tend to ask when they give you a call?
Well, one question is always, how soon can you get here? Because when a homeowner has made a decision that now I'm ready to get this thing looked at, usually it is top of mind and they want to get it. They want to get an understanding on what they're dealing with as soon as possible. We usually are booked out about a week or two on just common occurrence, and kind of a rule of thumb that we say is there's no such thing as emergency foundation repair for most people. Unless the front door is not locking, usually it's something that has been occurring slowly over a long period of time, and it's not going to get significantly worse in the next week or so, and so we can schedule it a little bit differently than, say, an emergency AC call would be scheduled,
All right, well, fantastic. Now, what are some other questions that customers tend to ask, if we can maybe give our viewers an idea of what to expect when they call you?
Probably the biggest question in people's mind is, how much is this going to cost?
Right.
Unfortunately, the reality is that foundation repair is not an expensive project, and it's not covered by insurance. And so to help address that, we do have a lot of finance solutions to help people get into a monthly that may work for their budget better.
Now, where can people go for more information to learn more in case they want to elaborate more on these topics?
The best resource is going to our website at www.du-west.com.
This Coastal Living segment has been paid for by Due West Services.